Howdy folks, and in this video I'm going to go and show you how to install and how to use UberSpin. So first of all, log into your WordPress panel and go to plugins and click on add new. Then find the plugin file that we have provided to you. Make sure to actually unzip the file that says unzip, and there should be a folder called plugin inside. Open that folder up and there should be the actual plugin. Click on upload plugin. Find that zip, upload it by clicking choose file and install and activate. Now, once it has been activated, you'll see a menu here that says Uber wheel. Okay, you're gonna click on it. Now, keep in mind that first time when you install it, might say switch to version 2 or something like that. Please continue with the upgrade. Okay, that might happen. It might not happen. If it does happen, continue. I repeat one more time. Continue with the upgrade. Okay, now you're gonna see this. You're gonna click on add new. You're gonna give your wheel spinner a name, demo 199.0.0.0. Let's go and save it up, and let's see what we can do here. Once it has been saved, you'll see some short codes here as well. I'm recording the screen, so it's usually lagging. That's not a problem. Okay, now you're gonna see this. So let's go ahead and learn about these. Most of these things are pretty, self-explanatory, but I'll go through them anyways. Okay, so wheel spin speed is how fast you want to speed. Now this, access setting basically means that do you want to restrict people from spinning or winning things based on cookie, meaning their browser data or their IP address? Now, I don't recommend IP address because you never know, right? Someone might from a college, multiple people from a college or somewhere might be trying to use it. I usually do cookies, or I just don't leave anything out. Okay, it's up to you. Duration type is day or hour. I would do how often can people spin the wheel? Every 10 hours or every 2 days? Okay, how many chances do they get to play? If they don't have there any more spins left, what do you want it to say? Try your luck again tomorrow. It's up to you. Cart redirect basically means that if they win something like a coupon, do you want it to redirect to your WooCommerce cart? Background image, these are sites. Play with these. Logo, enable sound, sparkle that we saw on the sales video. Do you want to allow people to play with multiple times with same email? Try to spin. This is the spinner label. You can change that up as well. Click here to spin. Just play with it, to be honest. Okay, right here, and this code right here. Don't get scared by it. Just take a look at these things. For example, like special offer, unlocked. This is HTML, so you might just take a look at the English. Okay, you just need to modify those. Does that make sense? So right here, these are just text you can modify. If you know how to modify, let's see if I can find online HTML editor. I'm gonna put the code here. Sorry, it doesn't. I was expecting it to, but it doesn't. That's not a problem. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Let's see if it does not work here. So just do this. Just take a look at the words. For example, here it says Uber spins, right? It's modified to something else. Special offer, you'll modify to something else. Unlock to something else. You'll know when you actually take a look at it. Okay. These are the stats. Don't worry about these for now. We can update it one more time. Now, if you want to add some privacy or some sort of settings, you can by going to privacy settings right here. Let it load and I will show you. It might take it some time to load sometime because it's a huge plugin. Okay, privacy, you can change if you have a privacy page section. This is where you're going to create your actual section. So click on add entry, so no price. Okay, I'm going to put no price. Try again next time. what's the probability of the, someone picking it? Now I'm gonna put, I don't know, if you put 100, no one's gonna be able to win anything, okay? So like 10 if you want to. Add entry again, win prize, okay? And this time I'm gonna put $500 or ebook, whatever you want, it's up to you. Now a couple of things. Do you want people to win like a coupon code, or if you want to take people to some sort of link, then click on link and put the link right here. So if I want people to go to Google, okay, coupon link label, it would just be click to view access, something like this. It's up to you. Max availability, basically how many people can win this? Unlimited, 1, it's up to you. Probability, I might want to do 50. Okay, you can select the background color from here as well. You can be like, hey, yay, you won. Okay, so you just keep adding multiple of these. So what I'm going to do here is just for the heck of it, right? I'm just going to copy this. It's going to look weird, but that's okay for now. I think you get the idea. I'm going to put random colors to show you what it looks like. I think you get the idea now. Once you get that done, just save it up, click update. Now, rest of the settings are all up to you. I'm gonna go through some spelling. So for example, this is just settings for, setting your colors. Integration, if you are using MailChimp or any of these, you don't have to use these guys. If you know how to use it, use it. If you don't know how to use it, then you don't know how. But if you have MailChimp, what you can do is Google MailChimp API keys, and you can find it. Okay, same thing here, same ActiveCampaign, all of these should be available to you if you are their customers. If you don't know what these are, just ignore it. Email templates. Now basically the email templates are, if you want to, I disable the email templates. What do you want to send out when people win something or if they lose something? It's up to you. Coupon bar, basically coupon bar means how many coupons are there available, okay? How long do they have to claim it, that kind of stuff. Additional CSS, ignore it. If you know what you're doing, do it. Okay, snowfall basically means if you want to make your page look animated and all fun, you can. Snowflakes, and a snowflake, when I say snowflake, it could be like, balls, like, basketballs dropping or flowers dropping. It's up to you. Now, display setting, if you enable it like this, what's going to happen, display via slider, what's going to happen is slider, well, let's use it, let's hold on to it, okay? And once you save it up, you're going to copy this code. I'll show you the display settings in a bit, so copy it. I'm going to go to new page, add new page. FYI, the player is going to look weird because I just put random settings there just to show you. But when you do it, make sure you put nice colors, take your time, whatever you want to do. The short code can be added anywhere you wish. So test, and if we publish it, it will add it right there. And we can go here to see if it's there. It should be there. And as expected, there we go, right? That's one way of adding spinner. The other way of adding it is going back here, clicking on display setting, display via slider, okay? And now, do you want to show it on all pages? Let's just do it here, or specific pages or specific post, okay? I'm going to do all pages for a demo purpose. I'm going to click on trigger, and I want to show clickable button on desktop or mobile. I can do, will opens at once every, after like 10 seconds of someone being on the site, or if someone is trying to exit the site. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's click update. Now this time it's going to look a little different, okay? A little bit different, but same concept. It's going to add, this will show this thing right here. As you can see, this is what I was talking about. If you click it, the same game will show up right here. Okay, very simple, very easy, it works. And that's it. So you learned how to use the spinner. Go play with it, have fun. And oh, I forgot one more thing. To download your list, go to Uber List and select your wheel right here, okay? Spin data, filter, and you can export your data from right here.